Assam, a land of green valleys, red river, and vast tea plantations, is a gateway to the other northeastern states. On my way to Arunachal Pradesh, I stopped at one tea estate near Dirang to explore the world-famous Assam tea. Assam is the largest tea producing state in India, making up to more than 50% of all tea production in the country. Beginning of the mountainous road was a clear indication of entering Arunachal Pradesh at Balemu checkpost. With each turn and twist, the road changes its texture, trying hard to match with the varying landscape. Soon the tar road transformed into the slippery mud path where I was trying hard not to fall and move forward. Apart from the incessant rain, skiddy road and thick fog, the darkness was a bigger challenge to reach Dirang. Next morning, I left behind the cosiness of the hotel snow line and took a beautiful road leading to Tawang. With increasing altitude, the road became more primitive and dirty, making it difficult to move upwards. After 12,000 feet, icy sleet started covering everything under the thick white blanket, including yaks. At one point, I stopped for a while to enjoy the snowfall. It was amazing to breathe in such a thin air all alone. Riding on the road bordered by snow was a thrilling experience, except the freaking cold air hitting on my skin. Sela Pass. What a beautiful gateway to Tawang. Almost feels like a door to heaven at 13,700 feet above. The snowfall turned into blizzard, tiny little snowflakes heaped all over, but I was enjoying this rare moment of my life. I was watching the dance of ice out of the window while drinking a super hot cup of tea in army cafeteria. Selalake is a high-altitude lake situated near the summit of Sela Pass. Often freezes in winter. Due to bad weather, I had a chance to marvel at the beautiful Sela Lake without any human obstruction. The harsh climate made my ride a little more challenging, but without pain. How one can appreciate such beauty. The first glimpse of Nuranang waterfall was awe-inspiring and exciting. The water was falling fiercely from 100 meters high cliff. Surprisingly, many travelers don't even know about this place, which is on the way to Tawang.